I don't know who need to hear this, but if you had to pick one AI assistant to use for everything, work, learning, writing, and problem solving, ChatGPT or Google Gemini, most people answer instantly. But when you look at the actual numbers and real capabilities, the answer isn't as obvious as you think. Here we compare calmly, clearly, and with real data. Everything in this video is based on publicly available research. Let's compare ChatGPT and Google Gemini across 10 categories that actually matter. User adoption and popularity. ChatGPT is the most widely used AI chatbot in the world. Market estimates show it controls over 60% of the generative AI chatbot market, while Gemini sits closer to the low teens percentage range. In simple terms, more people open ChatGPT daily for more tasks. Edge, ChatGPT. Accuracy on text-based tasks. When it comes to pure text accuracy, writing, summarizing, explaining, ChatGPT performs better. In controlled tests using medical and technical questions, ChatGPT scored around 87% accuracy, while Gemini scored closer to 70 to 72% on the same prompts. If your main use is writing, analysis, or explanations, ChatGPT is more dependable. Edge, ChatGPT. Multimodal capability: text, images, audio, video. Gemini was designed as a multimodal model from day one. It can natively analyze images, diagrams, screenshots, audio, and video alongside text, all in one flow. ChatGPT added image and voice features later, and while they work well, Gemini handles mixed media more naturally. Edge, Gemini. Speed and responsiveness. When handling heavy prompts, long research questions, or multi-step reasoning, Gemini tends to respond faster. Performance tests show Gemini completing complex tasks up to 40% quicker than ChatGPT in some scenarios. If speed matters to you, you'll feel the difference. Winner? Gemini. Ecosystem integration. ChatGPT integrates deeply with Microsoft tools, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and a large plugin ecosystem. Gemini is embedded into Google Search, Gmail, Docs, Drive, Android, and Chrome, tools billions of people already use every day. If you live inside Google's ecosystem, Gemini feels native. Edge, Gemini. Creativity and conversational flow. This one is about feel. Users consistently describe ChatGPT as more natural, more expressive, and better at brainstorming. It's stronger for storytelling, scripting, marketing copy, and casual conversation. Gemini is intelligent but more formal and analytical. Edge, ChatGPT. Long context memory. This is one of Gemini's biggest flexes. Gemini can process up to 1 million tokens in a single session. That's entire books, long contracts, or massive research documents at once. ChatGPT handles around 128,000 tokens, which is still huge, but not on the same scale. Edge, Gemini. Reliability and hallucinations. Both AIs make mistakes. That's reality. But in reasoning and financial logic tests, Gemini produced about 15% more hallucinations than ChatGPT. If you care about fewer confident but wrong answers, ChatGPT is the safer option. Edge, ChatGPT. Pricing and accessibility. Both platforms offer free versions and paid plans at roughly $20 per month. Gemini gives more multimodal features in its free tier. ChatGPT offers broader plugins and third-party tools. Overall, pricing is balanced. This one is a draw. Long-term potential. Gemini has Google behind it, Search, YouTube, Android, Maps, and DeepMind research. That means deep integration into how people already use the internet. ChatGPT has Microsoft, a massive developer ecosystem, and strong enterprise adoption. But in terms of platform reach and infrastructure, Gemini has more places to grow. Edge, Gemini. Final score. ChatGPT, 4. Gemini, 5 draws, 1. So on paper, Gemini wins by 1 point. Gemini dominates speed, multimodal work, integration, and long context processing. ChatGPT wins on popularity, accuracy, creativity, and reliability. The real takeaway? ChatGPT feels better to talk to. Gemini feels more powerful under the hood. Which one is better depends on what you actually use AI for. Now I want to hear from you, ChatGPT or Gemini. Drop your choice in the comments and tell me why. And if you enjoy calm, fact-based comparisons like this, follow versus Victor for more breakdowns that actually make sense.